Hi, if you're a Sec 4 student, it doesn't matter whether you are doing the O-levels or you're IP student. If you intend to go to JC, then this video is for you. I'm Eugene and I'm the founder of ETG. ETG has been specializing in A-level tuition since the year 2007. A-level general paper is actually not as easy as what most people think it to be. It requires you to have good mastery of the English language. It also requires you to understand key topics like society and culture, arts and the humanities, science and technology, the environment, as well as philosophy, politics, and the economics. We have designed a Sec 4 English program that helps students simultaneously prepare for O-level English and get a head start on general paper. So these are our beautiful GP materials. So our students actually receive a textbook every term for general paper. It has content, it has skills, it has sample essays at the back. Our students actually receive these every single term for subjects like economics and general paper. These are some of the books that we have. We have actually done an in-depth analysis of past year O-level English exam questions to make sure that our lessons cover the skill set and content that are actually exam oriented. So if you're interested, you're welcome to join our Sec 4 English program today.